Aircraft winglets are vertical or angled extensions fitted to the tips of aircraft wings. Their primary purpose is to improve aerodynamic efficiency by reducing drag, helping aircraft fly farther while using less fuel. What are winglets? When an aircraft flies, high-pressure air beneath the wing naturally moves toward the lower-pressure air above the wing. At the wingtip, this movement creates swirling air called wingtip vortices. These vortices generate induced drag, which reduces aircraft efficiency. Winglets help minimize these vortices, reducing drag and improving overall performance. Key functions of winglets: reduce induced drag, improve fuel efficiency, increase aircraft range, enhance climb performance, lower carbon emissions, reduce operating costs. How winglets work. Winglets act like barriers that weaken the strength of wingtip vortices. Instead of allowing air to spill freely around the wingtip, the winglet redirects airflow and recovers some of the energy that would otherwise be lost. The result is less drag, better lift-to-drag ratio, more efficient flight. Types of aircraft winglets. Blended winglets. These winglets feature a smooth, curved transition from the wing to the winglet. Commonly found on Boeing 737, Boeing 757 sharklets are Airbus's version of winglets. Commonly found on Airbus A320neo, Airbus A321neo split scimitar winglets. These include an additional downward-pointing winglet beneath the wing. Benefits: further drag reduction, additional fuel savings, raked wingtips rather than a vertical extension. The wingtip is stretched outward and swept back. Commonly found on Boeing 787 Dreamliner, Boeing 777X. Benefits of winglets: fuel savings. Winglets can reduce fuel consumption by approximately 3–7%, depending on the aircraft type and operating conditions. Extended range, improved efficiency allows aircraft to travel greater distances without additional fuel. Environmental benefits: lower fuel burn means reduced CO2 emissions, reduced environmental impact, improved airline sustainability, better climb performance. Aircraft equipped with winglets often climb more efficiently, especially at higher altitudes. Aircraft with winglets. Many modern airliners use winglets, including Boeing 737 MAX, Airbus A320neo, Airbus A350, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Advantages and disadvantages. Disadvantages: reduced drag, additional manufacturing cost, lower fuel consumption, slight increase in aircraft weight, increased range, more maintenance requirements, reduced emissions. Structural modifications may be needed, improved climb performance, higher initial investment. Aircraft winglets are one of the most effective aerodynamic improvements in modern aviation. By reducing wingtip vortices and induced drag, they help airlines save fuel, lower emissions, and improve aircraft performance. Today, winglets have become a standard feature on many commercial aircraft, contributing significantly to safer, greener, and more economical air travel. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.